Mm,
I'm a little zoned.
Obstruction.
Whose praise are Udraj? Grumnaz una dorma nuntu.
One day we'll get over here.
Yeah, one day I'll get over there. But by the time I get over there, everything's gonna be set on fucking fire. Like, I'm pathing my way over there while setting everything on fire.
I think the plants will really help the situation, Saburis, because it will provide a lot of natural cover, safety, and food.
You should tell that to the people that I'm burning down over here.
You're offering them nice aquatic plants. Jimmy Dean's, that is the shit. But I like making my own sausage.
What the fuck? He was waiting to ambush me. Fat bastard.
He didn't like you at all.
Well, he's dead. So it doesn't matter if he likes me or not anymore. Now I'm just gonna go kill him even more. That didn't make me very happy. He's not on my good list anymore. He's on my fucking naughty list.
That's a lot of resources. Fuck me.
Dromadrazul.
Not make me happy at all. That actually made me very upset that I even attempted to try.
Dak. Saru.
Yeah, we're definitely getting that. That will help
By the way,
production.
You guys should be getting Minotaurs here in a minute.
nice.
Doomskull key.
I can get a Centigore Zeech.
Is that from my thing or from your local crew?
That's from my local.
Who is strength
This-
rank 1 now? Greece is still strength rank 1? Interesting.
I finished up. I'm just making my way back, but really upgraded a lot. Piss.
By the way, my units for you guys are free. So, if you need to just...
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Nice.
Anfa Agrimazul.
me just get a little bit of those motherfuckers. Zillion! What's up, bro? You're fine, Zillion. It happens. A lot of accounts get hacked. It's not a big deal. How was your holidays, by the way? Show me a picture of the plants you're going to get, Cerberus.
The green skins. Oh, now they want a peace treaty.
Yeah.
Oh, he's going off. He's killed the entire French area.
Yeah, he
Like,
offered me a peace treaty.
Mine was blessed. I had a wonderful time with family. Ate a lot of food. Ate a lot of food.
I actually need to go that way. There's a special.
Oh, that's
over there I
nice.
need to get.
What color Adidas?
Uzdana Azabergi.
Oh, Mr. Crowd gets no vein.
Time to break them.
Yes.
Izgana Hashuts Az. The Dark Master walks. Zatan says nay.
Nice, I can turn this place into a dark fortress. That is
Umba.
good.
Doomleth.
I'm gonna get very upset if
To the duel.
I lose my settlement now.
Kandma Abdalu.
Oh, I'm marching.
Marink. Naidisteria.
One more. Some business.
There is soon Naigratrunle.